Okay, welcome back, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, Euro JPY, we talked about having a bearish move for today. So, I gave you various reasons why we will be making a drop for today on JPY. And guess what? We actually had that drop, which is about 200, pips. Bearish move was made on Euro JPY. One of the reasons why we had such movement was that JPY, as you can see, actually gave us a bullish move. So we saw that you can see that we actually opened and closed bullish for today. So for the next day, I also believe we will also make a bullish move, thereby making this euro to JPY drop more. So if you take a look at this moment, you see that this is kind of like a drop, right? So if there's a rejection at this level, which we can take as a double top, then we expect this price to actually drop more. And when you take a look at this JPY index, you'll see something like an uptrend move. You can see higher highs here, then an higher lows. Then you see this to be a new highs, and here comes an higher lows. A new highs being played out here. You can see it, new highs being played out here, and an higher lows. Now, if you take a look at this moment, you start a new highs is being formed here. So we expect this new highs to actually take out this previous high. So more bullish move on JPY. So if JPY will go bullish, then we expect this euro to JPY actually drop. So we expect euro to JPY actually drop. So more drop is to come on euro JPY.